Welcome to Visionary Designs. Today, we're taking you on an exciting journey through the world of modern Mediterranean style. Imagine stepping into a home that seamlessly blends the timeless charm of Mediterranean design with the sleek, clean lines of modern aesthetics. This style brings together the warmth and rustic beauty of traditional Mediterranean homes with contemporary elegance, creating a space that's both inviting and sophisticated. In this video, you'll discover how to transform your own home into a stunning modern Mediterranean retreat. Let's get started. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest home design tips and inspirations. Let's dive in. Before we explore each room, let's briefly discuss the key features of modern Mediterranean design. This style combines the rustic charm and natural materials of traditional Mediterranean homes with the clean lines and minimalism of modern design. Expect to see whitewashed walls, exposed wooden beams, natural stone, and a color palette of whites, creams, and blues. Modern Mediterranean homes are known for their airy, open spaces filled with natural light, blending indoor and outdoor living seamlessly. Moving into the living room, we see a spacious area filled with natural light pouring in through large windows. The walls are painted in a crisp white, providing a clean canvas that enhances the room's natural brightness. The flooring is a mix of natural stone and wide plank wooden flooring, adding texture and warmth to the space. The furniture is a harmonious blend of modern and traditional elements. A large, comfortable sofa in a neutral tone is adorned with blue and white patterned throw pillows, adding a touch of Mediterranean charm. A sleek, modern coffee table sits at the center, flanked by two rustic wooden armchairs with plush cushions. One of the standout features in this room is the exposed wooden beams on the ceiling, a nod to traditional Mediterranean architecture. These beams contrast beautifully with the contemporary light fixtures that hang elegantly from above. On one side of the room, a large minimalist bookshelf showcases a collection of books, art pieces, and Mediterranean-inspired decor. The focal point of the living room is the fireplace, framed by natural stone and topped with a rustic wooden mantel. Above the mantel hangs a large, abstract painting in shades of blue and green, bringing a coastal feel to the space. The combination of these elements creates a room that feels both cozy and sophisticated, perfect for relaxing with family or entertaining guests. Next, we move into the heart of the home, the kitchen. The modern Mediterranean kitchen is a true blend of functionality and style. The cabinetry is a mix of white and natural wood, creating a bright and airy feel. The countertops are made of natural stone, adding an organic touch to the sleek design. A large kitchen island stands at the center, providing ample space for meal preparation and casual dining. The island features a wooden countertop that adds warmth and texture, while modern bar stools in a minimalist design offer comfortable seating. Above the island, pendant lights with a sleek metal finish provide both task lighting and a stylish focal point. The backsplash is a work of art, featuring hand-painted tiles in a traditional Mediterranean pattern. These tiles add a splash of color and intricate detail to the otherwise minimalist kitchen. Open shelving made of reclaimed wood offers space to display beautiful ceramic dishes and glassware, enhancing the kitchen's charm. Large windows above the sink allow natural light to flood the space, highlighting the beauty of the materials and the simplicity of the design. Stainless steel appliances are integrated seamlessly into the cabinetry, maintaining the kitchen's sleek and modern look. This kitchen is a perfect example of how the modern Mediterranean style can create a space that is both beautiful and highly functional. Adjacent to the kitchen is the dining room, a space designed for gathering and enjoying meals together. The dining area continues the theme of blending traditional and modern elements. A large wooden dining table serves as the centerpiece, its rustic finish adding warmth and character. The table is surrounded by modern chairs with clean lines, upholstered in a soft, neutral fabric. Above the dining table hangs a stunning chandelier, its design combining rustic iron elements with modern glass accents. This lighting fixture adds a touch of elegance and creates a warm, inviting glow. The walls of the dining room are adorned with Mediterranean-inspired artwork, featuring scenes of coastal landscapes and vibrant market scenes. These artworks add color and personality to the space. A large arched window provides a beautiful view of the outdoor garden, bringing the beauty of nature inside. To one side of the room, a rustic wooden sideboard offers storage space and a surface for displaying decorative items. A pair of tall candlesticks and a bowl of fresh fruit add to the room's charm. The dining room perfectly captures the essence of modern Mediterranean living, a space that is welcoming, stylish, and perfect for making memories with loved ones. Moving to the master bedroom, we find a serene and elegant retreat. The bedroom features a calming color palette of white, beige, and soft blue, creating a peaceful and relaxing atmosphere. The walls are painted in a warm white, reflecting the natural light that floods the room through large, arched windows. The focal point of the bedroom is the bed, which features a wrought iron headboard with intricate detailing. The bed is dressed in crisp, white linens, layered with soft throws and pillows in shades of blue and beige. A pair of rustic wooden nightstands flanks the bed, each topped with a sleek, modern lamp. The flooring is a continuation of the wide plank wooden flooring found throughout the house, adding warmth and continuity to the design. At the foot of the bed, a comfortable bench provides a place to sit and relax. Above the bed hangs a large framed mirror with a distressed finish, reflecting light and adding a touch of vintage charm. One corner of the room is dedicated to a cozy reading nook, featuring a comfortable armchair and a small side table. A floor lamp with a minimalist design provides the perfect reading light. The room also includes a spacious walk-in closet with built-in shelving and plenty of storage space, keeping the bedroom clutter-free and serene. The master bedroom is a perfect example of how the modern Mediterranean style can create a tranquil and stylish sanctuary, blending traditional elements with modern comfort. The bathroom is a luxurious space that combines the best of Mediterranean and modern design. The walls and floors are clad in natural stone tiles, creating a spa-like atmosphere. A large freestanding bathtub serves as the focal point of the room, its sleek design adding a touch of modern elegance. A double vanity with white marble countertops and rustic wooden cabinetry provides ample storage space. Above the vanity, two large mirrors with wrought iron frames reflect the natural light that pours in from a skylight overhead. The vanity is topped with modern faucets and fixtures, combining functionality with style. The shower is enclosed by glass walls, featuring a rainfall showerhead and hand-painted Mediterranean tiles. These tiles add a pop of color and intricate detail to the otherwise minimalist bathroom. A heated towel rack and plush, white towels add to the luxurious feel. Let's step outside to explore the outdoor living spaces, a key feature of any modern Mediterranean home. The patio is designed for relaxation and entertaining, with comfortable seating areas, a dining table, and lush greenery. The patio floor is made of natural stone, seamlessly blending with the surrounding landscape. Comfortable outdoor sofas and chairs, adorned with colorful cushions, create a cozy seating area. A large wooden dining table, surrounded by wicker chairs, provides the perfect spot for alfresco meals. String lights and lanterns add a magical touch to the evenings, creating a warm and inviting ambiance. The garden is filled with Mediterranean plants such as olive trees, lavender, and rosemary, adding to the natural beauty and fragrance of the space. A pergola covered with climbing vines offers shade and a sense of intimacy, while a small water feature adds a soothing sound to the environment. Additionally, there is an outdoor kitchen equipped with a built-in grill, stone countertops, and a rustic wooden bar, perfect for entertaining guests. The pool area is another highlight, with a sparkling blue pool surrounded by natural stone decking and comfortable lounge chairs. Umbrellas provide shade, and potted plants add a touch of greenery. This outdoor living area perfectly complements the interior design, extending the modern Mediterranean style into the open air and creating a serene retreat for relaxation and entertainment. That's it for our tour of this stunning modern Mediterranean home. We hope you've enjoyed exploring how traditional Mediterranean charm can blend seamlessly with modern design to create spaces that are both inviting and elegant. Whether you're looking to completely transform your home or just add a few Mediterranean touches, we hope this video has provided you with plenty of inspiration. Let us know in the comments which room was your favorite and how you plan to incorporate modern Mediterranean elements into your own home. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more home design tips and inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.